Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Safullah Khan, and today I am talking about a different topic which is most important and most inspirational for everyone who understand the meaning of humanity. And today my topic is related to this what is humanity? What is humanity? And this topic is very much relevant towards the film industries, towards the charity distributors, towards the film actor and actresses who usually play the roles of the different characters in their everyday life, in their different scenes and different values given to show their real act in form of their acting, in form of films, movies, for all the directors and all the kind of choreographers or everyone. This is a most important topic from my side to awake you all about humanity. So what is humanity and what it brings and it changed to our lives and make so much important that it become a business that deals with a lot of pain. the, when I talk about pain, it related to the emotions. You know, the most of the people in this world sell emotions. They sell emotions using the name of art and culture, which is definitely a wrong way, a wrong manner to just to inspire yourself or increase your economy. You need to first understand what is humanity. Humanity comes when you feel that you are a human, and around your all on this global, every human who is living is your brother and sister, and you one who is a human, and you are a humanitarian person to feel the pain which they going through every day, every moment in life. And I just want to guide you for this, that many people think that how a film can be made very characteristic, strong and very powerful and visionary, so that the audience will be attracted from you, or no, audience will attract from you. So the basic key for is humanity, and feel the pains of the different characters which live around you and on streets, on roads, on shopkeepers, or policemen, every doctor, engineer, this and that, teacher, etc. and etc. Every character is a kind of is full of study for you. When you are a director, when you are an actor, or when you have a skill to research on this kind of a particular topic, which I just want to tell you about humanity. What is humanity then? The humanity is comes in a person when you live with all the people, when you feel the pain of all the people, when you live the lives with them. But when we work on screen, the point which I just want to tell you is that when the focus was based on what you have seen on the in your surrounding. You have to act like it on screen. That makes the thing that must be real. So what should a person do to show that the character is real or not? Firstly, we have to study, we have to research for actor and for director and for every filmmaker. I just want to say that research, if you want to act some acting of someone, then you have to research on it completely. You have to interact, make your communication skills strong, meet with every person one by one, spend time with the poor, spend time with the rich. As much you have a social network with the people personally, not by knowing the only viral videos or this and that. You can't reach the original content of the people's personal life, which deals with the pain, which deals with the real humanitarian feelings, that what poor, what richer, what is their social need, what makes them feel uncomfortable when they are alone, when they are with people, how they possess the happiness when they become rich, when poor become rich, how he is feeling, when rich become poor, how he was depressive. Is pain give you much learning, or is happiness give you much learning? What are the situations? According to the situation, according to this, the stories was developed, and the stories developed through our point of discussion, point of our and for artistic approach. I just want to tell all the actors, all the young actors, that there are few actors I have read, and I also seen them, see them completely. They tell us that when you become an actor, you will do what your director say you only. Do not just be in your own character. Do not see if other your actor is comfortable or not comfortable in his acting. So I just want to tell all these kind of actors, according to me, that they are definitely wrong. Maybe they are wrong little bit, but I just want to say to these mature actors, please consider on my point, that please, if any your in a class, if your mate is weak enough in a subject, your teacher always say you guide him. Guide him, because you know the subject, how to handle it. Likewise, I just want to tell to all the actors who just think that be in your own character and do not care about your mates. So please do not follow these kind of actors. They are mature actors who guided you. Help your mates, because maybe by your common sense, maybe it is a genuine mistake by any young actor or even by an old actor. Somehow it happens with any person, at any time he can miss or mishandle certain script. It is your human mind. It happens. Because human is full of errors. And what we can do as a human to guide, to support our fellows, to support as a humanitarian feelings, so that we can present a positive and a realistic approach to the world when we dealing with this entertaining industry, when we dealing with this to awake the movie stars. Through this we can put change, and also to the locations. It was that from where the shot was taken, and where the shot was from the shoulder it was taken, when two persons are talking while we are shooting the movie. From left shoulder towards the right shoulder, so the person seems that they are seeing each other and they are interacting each other. So there are many kind of things which humanitarianly it can be possessed to change the angles according to look the realistic. When you meet with the people humanitarianly, when you meet the people, you realize what they actually need. What they need, and in which angle they are making that kind of attractive idea. So you will be appealed from, and from which the audience appeal when you meet someone, you see, and when you listen to the story. It's all about what I just want to say about acting. When we live the lives of the people, it makes your life a better, because if in any point of your life, if certain things are happen, or if certain situation your friend is going through, you can help him completely and easily. And even one other I just want to tell you that few times it happens in your life that people meet you and say to you, how do you know this kind of situation, when you doesn't even have not gone through this certain situation. So it's so easy for an actor, for an artist, or for any human who is a humanitarian person, who lives from the childhood to the birth and mature life and to old age. When whatever you see into your life, the characteristics, the different ages people, you realize what they are going through. You not live the pain which they live, but you can feel the pain which they can feel equally, because what happened in surrounding around you, you catch it in yourself. You just what you can do, you can learn it when you, I can just tell you, when you sleep or when you eat or when you go, when you are free, or even when you are walk, or any time, you can feel those characters into your own self, and you can memorize them, and you can use them in any time in your film, movies, acting, or in even when you have a pain into your personal life. Likewise, because definitely not the same pain came automatically different, but similar to that kind of pain came into your life, but you can handle it completely easily, and psychologically you will move towards a positive end. So this is what we need to learn, and I just want to say that life is always too short, but humanity is always the winner. And what we have to charity, I always say entertainment is the best charity which we can going through to make to all our surrounding globally, because entertainment what gives you the best thing which I just want to tell you, it gives your strong motive, your positive energy to appeal the audience who are in a depressive mood or demotivated or from their personal life. They must be motivated from your character when they see your entertainment movie, or whatever you have to say about motivational speaking or whatever it is. So it is important to just to hold out yourself, is to hold out your nerves, it's to hold out your characteristics according to the way it should be. It will be any character, but it should be done with a positive frame of mind, with feelings, with emotions, with your pain, with the heart, with a full pain, but with a powerful motives to help humanity, to work for humanity, and your every word is a charity for humanity. And this is how you can share love, and this is how you can share kindness. Your kindness and your energy is everything for the humanity. The best thing you can give is this. So that is my basic concept for humanity. So love humanity, be a humanitarian. We all are servants of nature, and we all humans are children of Adam and Eve, and we all are brothers and sisters, whether we have any caste, creed, color, or country. So this movie can unite us, and this entertainment and emotions can because emotions are always same. If you have any caste, creed, color, or country, which I always say, emotions are same. If religions are different, the emotions and the pains are the same of the people, which must realize everyone in this world. So that is how we all are humanitarian, are one, and no one can divide us on this humanitarian feelings. Whatever the political, religious, or any kind of leadership will spoil you, or whatever it is, but be one, be unite. So make our globe a peaceful land for humanity. So God bless you all. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Love from Safi Khan.